Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use conditional logic in Google Forms, so make sure to watch until the end to learn everything step by step. Alright, let's begin by creating a new form. I'll click on Blank Form, and once the page loads, I'll rename it to Customer Feedback Form. Now I'll click here to add a title and a short description, something like, "We'd love to hear your thoughts about our service." Let's start adding questions. I'll click on the plus icon to add a new question and type, "What is your name?" We'll keep this question type as short answer. Next, I'll add another question that says, "How did you hear about us?" For this one, I'll change it to multiple choice and add a few options like Google search, social media, friend or family, and other. Now let's add another question. Have you used our services before? The options will be yes and no. We'll now add a new section by clicking the Add Section icon. I'll name this section Service Experience. Here I'll add a question that says, "How would you rate your experience with us?" and make it a linear scale from 1 to 5. Then I'll add another question, "What did you like the most about our service?" and keep it as paragraph so users can type longer answers. Now let's move on to the next section. I'll rename it to Suggestions and Improvements, and in the description, I'll write, "Tell us what we can do better." Then I'll add a question, "Would you recommend us to others?" with options yes and no. Now let's set up conditional logic so the form reacts based on answers. Go back to the question, "Have you used our services before?" Click the three-dot menu, then choose Go to Section based on answer. For yes, select Go to Section 2, Service Experience, and for no, select Go to Section 3, Suggestions and Improvements. That means if someone says yes, they'll be directed to questions about their experience. If they say no, they'll skip directly to the Suggestion section. Next, let's make sure all our questions are required. You can click on each one and toggle the required option, or go to Settings, Defaults, Question Defaults, and enable Make All Questions Required. Before sharing the form, you can also customize its look. Click the palette icon to change the theme color, background, and font style. You can drag and drop questions to move them up or down. Now let's preview the form. Click the eye icon at the top. You can test it by selecting different options to make sure the logic works properly. If everything looks good, you can share it with others. And that's it. You've just learned how to use conditional logic in Google Forms. You can use it for your business or service. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.